Welcome to Soul Society. In this video I will talk about how to whiten teeth and get rid of bad breath with baking soda. Mouth and teeth can be the site of multiple infections. Gingivitis, mouth ulcers, caries are due to dental plaque. The microbes that compose it transform the sugar into lactic acid, which eats away at the enamel. To whiten teeth, against canker sores, bad breath, heartburn, baking soda has a lot of virtues. For that you need baking soda, also called sodium bicarbonate, to whiten teeth. During brush time, sprinkle the toothbrush with baking soda. Use this method once a week. Against bad breath, dissolve 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Gargle. Use this method twice a week. Warning: this remedy should not be used daily, but occasionally, otherwise it may damage the enamel of the teeth. If symptoms persist, consult a doctor. Please note that plants are not harmless remedies. Never exceed the indicated doses. In the next video, I will talk about how to get out of depression with nettle root. Subscribe to Soul Society for more remedies and check out the description below to get more information. Thanks for watching.